And this is how our station, source, and the buffer looks like in 3D. Okay. Now, if I just double click on this, you're going to get the properties windows here. Okay. Now let us keep this environment in 3D. And you know what we can do is we can just look at the properties of the source now. So just like if you see here, we have the source which you can rename here as per your requirement, and you are going to have all these details out here. So we have a lot of variable parameters which you could feed in the source of this plant sim. Right now, if you click on this 3D, you are going to get the real 3 means visualization related property windows popping up, just like we had in Flexim. In the single properties window of a source, you will be able to go in the visuals, generals, and stuffs like that. Here you are going to have a separate property window for visuals where you can do transformations, MU animations, self animation, poses, graphics, states, and captions. So we'll look at all these in detail, guys, in all our tutorials coming ahead. We are going to have a long run together. Now, when we look into the attributes, here you are going to have operating mode, time of creation, which can be adjustable, delivery table, number of adjustables, triggers. Let us go with the interval adjustable as of. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the interval to what I say is say 10, right? Let us see what happens now. And then we have a start, we have a stop time also. You have a MU selection here, different selection criterias. Let us keep it constant, MUs.part, okay? And what we are going to do basically, just like in Flexim we have a source where we put in the interval time, we are just going to put in here. Then we have failure modes here. We are not going to look at all these as of, because that was going to be more detailed for us. We are just starting with basics, right? So let us just put in the timing for that is interval for the source, and then we can go ahead. But I will just take you through that what are the different properties we have as of, right? We have exit strategy, we have statistics here. In Flexim, if you could look at, we have the statistics at the top itself in the property window, right? And you can look into that, but you have here all these statistics quite in here. Production is there, transport you can see, storage you can see. There are a lot of stuff. Now let me make this okay. And what we're going to do now is we are going to open the station properties. By double clicking that, you are going to get this up, right? Here also you're going to have a processing time. Let us keep it what it was by default. Just like in Flexim also, when you open it, you're going to have that 10 in the process time, right? That's what you also have in the plant sim here, process time by default. Okay, you're going to keep it constant. You're going to have a lot of distributions here, guys, and we are going to learn all related to statistical distributions, because that is must and simulation study. Okay, and then if you could look at, we have a setup time, recovery time, then we also have a cycle time, which is having a different tab here. And this is quite interesting, guys. In plant sim, you're going to have 3 times here. Also recovery time, what it says, process time, setup time, recovery time. Whereas in Flexim, you're going to have only 2 times, that is setup time and process time or cycle time. Everything in the same thing. You have a lot of distribution here, segregation, by the way. Then when we go to the setup here, we have a different types of strategies you can put in the setup. Failures, we have controls, exit, statistics, importer, you have an energy saving calculations, guys, in plant sim, and that is quite great stuff. For stations, we are going to feel very exciting, and I am very much interested to use this feature and identify what things are going to be. And then we go to the cost, right? And then we have user defined thing. Let us see and explore what these all things mean, but let us stay to the basic as of, and that is process time. I have just put in the process time now. And let us go to the buffer. Here also we're going to keep the default buffer capacity. Buffer related all properties you can see here by double clicking this buffer, right? Here we have times, this is failures, controls, exit, statistics, importer, again energy we have. We have a cost associated here and the stuff. It is quite really great, right? Because you get all the properties in the same particular, what I can say, attribute or object, right? So that is what I found it great. Now let us basically run this simulation model, right? We'll go in home, and home you can see here event controllers, and when you play in here you're going to get the different stuffs visualized. So just look at the part, guys. It's just like a die, you know. This is a flow item which you had in Flexim, right? A box which used to flow. Here you're going to have something just like a die. But the in Flexim the great thing is you can just move this out, you know. Yeah, it's not possible to take it out. So this is what it is. This is how it looks, the 3D environment looks quite great, but quite not that great as it is in Flexim, right? The 3D visualization, most probably it might be great. We can see ahead by putting or changing its graphics, but the initial one is quite simple. Now, what do we have? We have all our parts processed. Now let us go and check the statistics in the statistics tab of the machine. So we have 100% working, okay? We have almost 11 entries, 10 exits, okay? This is how it is working. And when I just look into the statistics of this, you're going to have 12 entries and 4 exits. Now where are these exits? We are going to look in the next video. But the current capacity needs to be, maximum content we have set it to 8, but we have 12 entries and we have 4 exits. Where are those 4 exits, guys? If I just take this out, is it an exit? Is it the exit? No. We're going to look into what the things are going to be that. But thanks for watching this video till the end of this video, guys. Let us know how was this video for you. Did you like it? And let us know if you have any queries related to what we discussed in very basics of creating a simple 3D simulation model and plant sim, right, guys? And let us meet you in another interesting videos answering all these stuffs. Meanwhile, what you're going to do is in the comment section let me know why we have 4 exits and 12 entries if the maximum capacity is 8. In Flexim, right, if the content max is 8, we are not going to have an extra stuffs in there, right? And similarly, when we go in the statistics, why we have 10 exits if the buffer capacity 8 is max. Let me know in the comment section, guys, and let us discuss the stuffs in the next video. So till then, keep watching Lean Sim Corp, keep visiting our website leansimcorp.com, and let us meet another interesting video on Lean Sim Corp. So welcome to our website beavarchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Beavar channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, We are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our BeAware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought your personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.